Welcome to Car Reviews, where today we take you inside one of the most exciting and game-changing vehicles of 2026, the BYD Motorhome 500. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a fully electric luxury home on wheels designed to redefine long-distance travel, comfort, and sustainability. BYD has combined their expertise in EV technology with the convenience of a modern RV, creating a vehicle that feels like the future arrived early. From the outside, the BYD Motorhome 500 has a sleek, aerodynamic design with clean body lines, LED lighting accents, and a futuristic grille-less front. Its extended panoramic windows allow for breathtaking views of nature while you travel, and the retractable awning gives you an instant outdoor lounge wherever you park. The build quality is robust yet stylish, with lightweight materials that help improve efficiency without sacrificing strength. Powering the Motorhome 500 is BYD's advanced blade battery technology, offering an impressive range of over 500 kilometers on a single charge. Fast charging capability means you can reach 80% in just 40 minutes, making road trips less about waiting and more about exploring. With dual electric motors, this motorhome has smooth yet powerful acceleration, even when fully loaded, and an intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures stability on highways, mountain roads, or sandy beach tracks. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a stunningly modern interior designed for both luxury and practicality. The BYD Motorhome 500 features a spacious open-plan layout, with a plush lounge area that converts into a comfortable bed, a fully equipped kitchenette with induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and built-in microwave, and a dining space that doubles as a work area. The smart climate control system keeps the temperature perfect year-round, while soundproofing technology ensures a peaceful retreat wherever you are. The cockpit is equipped with a large digital dashboard, BYD's latest infotainment system, and a massive center touchscreen with navigation, entertainment, and real-time energy monitoring. The vehicle supports voice commands, 5G connectivity, and over-the-air software updates to keep features fresh and optimized. Autonomous driving assistance, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras make driving stress-free, even in tight camping spots. One of the biggest highlights is its eco-friendly off-grid capabilities. The roof is lined with high-efficiency solar panels that can help power onboard electronics, while the integrated energy storage system lets you enjoy days of camping without plugging in. You also get a compact bathroom with a smart water-saving shower, eco-toilet, and ample storage for all your travel essentials. The BYD Motorhome 500 is a bold statement in the world of electric travel, combining sustainability, innovation, and comfort into one beautiful package. It's perfect for families, adventurers, and anyone ready to embrace the future of road trips without the environmental guilt. So, what do you think? Is the BYD Motorhome 500 the electric travel revolution you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Reviews for more exciting automotive content.